pork sauerkraut stir-fry is today's dish. First, I rinse the sauerkraut, then squeeze out excess water. Slice pork thin and then chop green onions. Now heat the pan and then add oil. Swirl. Then we're going to add pork. Stir. Add green onions. Continue stirring. Stir until it appears cooked. Then we'll add Korean barbecue marinade. Stir again. Finally, add sauerkraut. Continue stir until sauerkraut is totally soaked up flavor and cooked. Now we're all done. Very simple, but it's really delicious. You should try it. Growing up eating this dish, of course, our sauerkraut is made with napa cabbage instead of the round cabbage, but it's still just as good. I like the fact that our Korean barbecue, because the sweetness in the Korean barbecue really cut down the tardiness of sauerkraut.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.